to make a snowman. First, you are going to want a black plain piece of paper, and then you're going to want to cut out 3 circles. 1 big, 1 medium, and 1 small. And of course, if you need to pause the video, go ahead and pause it. And of course, you can have the circle this big for the big one, or you can have it a little bit smaller. For the medium one, you're going to want it a little bit smaller from that big one. So, and then you're going to want to put that one on top of this one. You're going to want the big one placed down, and then your medium one. Then medium, then small. Small have a little big because small is the head. It'll be easier for you. And put your small on. Mine looks a little bit different, probably as your guys's, but just have a small, medium, and big. So first you're going to move your items and flip it over, and of course glue it. You're going to want scissors, glue, and a marker by you. And then when you're done with the glue, you are going to want to place it down and then go to the medium one and put glue on it. And when you're done with that glue, you are going to want to put that done on there, and then you are going to want to have your small with glue. And when you're done with that, place it. You need to grab a brown marker and draw your stick. Grab another brown marker, which is the same marker. And then put some dots for his face, 2 dots for his eyes, some more dots for his mouth, and 3 buttons. And that's all you are going to do with it. And then with a white piece of paper, you can do any piece of paper for this kind. You are going to want to cut out a hat. A hat, you're going to want to cut a square. And it'll be there. And when you're done with that, you're going to want to grab them and put glue on it. Of course, if you need to pause the video, you're going to want to have a little bit of space for the other piece of the hat. And you're going to want to put the other part of the hat on. Grab orange piece of paper, triangle. And then you are going to want to glue it on your snowman. And put it on. And then you'll have your snowman halfway done. So you grab a green piece of paper and you cut out a scarf. You're going to want to cut it straight like that. And then up. And cut take your scarf, because the scarves are kind of hard to cut. But if they're easy for you guys, just cut it however you want of your scarf, if you know how. You are going to want to do that. Put it on. You're done. And then you have your snowman. And then you could put a star on it. And you can cut out little circles out of a white piece of paper. You're probably going to want like 3 circles. Another funky one that I have. Yeah. I probably want to do 5 or 6 like I did because, well, I'm doing because it would look good if you have 5 or 6 or 10. You could do how much you want, but probably don't do 1. Because if you do 1, it would only be 1 snowflake. And then how much snow would you use for your snowman if you only have 1 snowflake? I want to cut out some snow for the bottom. If it doesn't fit, like mine doesn't fit, just place it down where your snowman is so you can see the snow under the snowman. So you could do any colors you want, but don't do the same color. You're going to do that, and then there's your snowman. So thank you for watching this video.